Hello Skin Game. This is the video 6 with Amir for hair restorative. The hair enhancement Benacel, the active stimulator for Amir. It contains comprehensive profile of 20 amino acids, which are the primary substrates for keratin synthesis, supporting hair strength, elasticity, and structural integrities. A blend of B complex vitamins and vitamin C, B3, B5, B6, folic acid, supports cellular metabolism, improve the microcirculation to the scalp, and enhance the follicles energy productions while providing antioxidants protections. The formula also is including bioactive peptides, which function as signaling the molecules to stimulate dormant follicles, prolong the anagen's growth phase, and promote the increased hair density. Additional antioxidant and lipid-based scalp conditioner protects follicles from antioxidant stress, reduce inflammations, and reinforce the scalp barrier, create an optimal environment for sustained hair growth. Together, these components work synergistically to support follicles regeneration, reduce hair thinner, and improve over scalp and hair strength. That's it for the ingredient of Benacel's hair regrowth and restorative. Thank you.